You know how I said that I would have more reservations than the Hard Rock Hotel on any given night about this Twitter bird thing with Elon Musk, the muskrat, Musk the muskrat man. Uh Guess what? He's pulled the chargers out from the cars. Great big Tesla car. Great big multi-$1,000 price gouge Tesla car. And he's made it so that you don't get the charging cable included with the car anymore. Just like that. Just on the other side of, hey, I'm gonna mess up Twitter now because I'm a troll. Lo 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 lo. Ho 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 ho. He's like, um, yeah, pull we're gonna pull an absolute apple. Oh my god. I told you. I told you straight up what this guy was. This mook wants a carbon tax. What kind of people want a carbon tax? Absolute raving maniacs that make me look like the picture of mental health. I told you. I told all of you. What's that? Is that your phone ringing? 'Cause I effing called it. Peace.